Day 23 on TryHackMe. It is out now, and as you might have seen, it is really late today, and I'm gonna try to finish this video. So I already booted up the machine here. It's a virtual machine on TryHackMe, and I put it into a remote window so I have a full screen. So it's another blue teaming. It's called Powershell, something like that. It's a Powershell thing. So the story goes the following: one of the administrators with access to the Elf Dome defense system realized that this password file was missing from his desktop. Without the password, he will not be able to log into the mission control panel. McGiddy suspects that perhaps one of the previous phishing attempts was successful. McGiddy jumps on into action. You need to inspect the event log to determine what has occurred and see if you can retrieve the password from the deleted text file. So, learning objective is analysis of Windows event logs, recover key artifacts in unencrypted web communication, so that's good unencrypted, and utilize password scripting to recover a deleted, artifact. So the first thing it talks about is PowerShell. It's a part of Windows operating system. It is like, I guess you could compare it to Bash or something like that, but I would probably not do that, but it's the closest I could just think of right now. It can do many things. PowerShell is a great tool. You can access everything on the disk and so on. So it says PowerShell has also allowed adversaries to perform nefarious activities on concept of living off the land. So this is one of the things. So the official definition of PowerShell per Microsoft: PowerShell is a cross-platform task automation solution made up of command line shell, a scripting language, and a configuration management framework. PowerShell runs on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS X. And we have a link we can click at and see, like, wow. Alright, so let's keep this open for now. So I guess we need to go ahead and, when you start the tool, open the advanced option so we need to go into this window here and click this tool, it would seem, and let's see what we get. So they tell us to go into advanced options, and the event of interest on this endpoint took place a few weeks ago, specifically during, so it's gonna be during the week of November 11th. So let's go ahead and do something like that. What? Show only event specific time range. So only local time, right? So yeah, 7 days. So 11/10/21, 11/10/10/21. So we need time 1:00:52. So let's type this 1:00:52, and it's PM, so it's still PM to 11/12/21, and the time would be the same again. So whoops. So 1:00:52. It's just static information we're typing in. Show only specified events, so that's 4103, 4104. So show only 4103, 4104. I think that would be right. And the next one should only specify delimiter. What did it say again? Show only specified providers, comma, delimited list, wildcard allowed. and that would be PowerShell. Whoops. Alright, so let's see. Alternatively, you can search based on a string value and a keyword, and so on and so on. Then we can do, but we don't need to do that. It would seem would be enough to do this. Whoa. Let's do this, I guess. Show only event with specified event description strings. And then do, I think it was HTTP, yes. So HTTP. There we go. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have a few now. It would seem these are the event logs we need. So let's see if we can get them in the right time. So it's yeah, this is sorted. So I assume that would be it then. So now the questions is as following. What command was executed as elf McNeely to add a new user to the machine? So we need to look through these event logs. I would guess with the advanced setup we have here, we got the different file. Let's just double check that everything is correct. So 11.10.21, 11.10.21, and then do like 11.12.21, 11.12.21. That will be correct. Anything else they removed? 41 overall. It seems that it should be right. So let's just keep it for now. So we need to find the command. This doesn't look like any specific stuff. The very first lines do say command invocation, which I think in PowerShell is a command. Let's just see. Yeah, kind of, it runs command on local machines. So kind of just looking at this, I would say this is the name. Let's copy that and go to this page, paste it, and see. Oh wait, invoke requests. Oh yeah, maybe I was too fast. I'm also really tired. It's been a really long day. So it's the function invoke. That's a function. Let's go ahead and say that is the exploit. So okay, so we have an exploit here. John Hammond. Okay, I'm pretty sure that that is the answer then. When I see it like that, yeah. What user executed the PowerShell file to send the password text file from the administrator desktop to a remote server? What user? And it would be someone with 5 letters. I'm just gonna guess admin. No, okay. Let's just see what we get now. So let's go ahead and just start again. Just look through it all. This might be, let's see. Connected user, no one. Damn it. That's too much text right now. Let's see. Users. Password.text. Key. Invoke this and that. I think it should be, so it's doesn't look like any username is right there for the taking. Alright, so wait a minute. So maybe this is trivial information. There's a user tab, and it would seem that either it's elf someone or admin with a 1. So I think admin with a 1 would be like this. That's the answer. What's the IP address of the remote server? I think I saw that right here. What do they want? Comma something. Yeah. So what if I take this? I want to put a comma there, I guess. Yes. Okay. So that would be the answer for that, because you can see that it's a remote connection to some HTTP outside invoke request. Gonna start this and do some post, something. So let's see. What was the encryption key used to encrypt the content of the text files and the encryption key? Looks like this. It's saved in a variable called key, so why not? Okay. What application would use to delete the password to text file? So I think I noticed something. What application? We have a program here called sdelete, which does delete something, so I guess S is alright. What is the time and date the log shows the password was deleted? So we need to find out the timestamp of when password text was deleted, and it would seem that this is probably not. Let's go ahead and do advanced and just try something and do password.check. Can we do that? Yes. We get these 3 different files. So this file does contain the command, and we have the timestamp right there. It will seem, I guess this is copy clicked cell. Would that work? No. Maybe without this. Oh, fantastic. What would the content of a deleted? Need to find the content. So I would say, the content. Alright, so I think we should probably go back to some HTTP traffic. So if I remember correctly, in HTTP traffic we get content too. So let's have a look. No, not that one. Okay, so we have some value here which is just too long to be there. So I think what we have on this machine is a decryptor, and okay, so key and encrypted. So I need to put this there, and the key we definitely had just before, or some of the other files. That is the key. Need to put that in here, and oops, there we go. So let's go ahead and run this. Went a little too fast, it seems. Don't we have a way to execute this without? Oh, it's too fast. So we need to edit it, I guess. Let's see what happens. Oh, goody, we have a shell editor. So let's save this and run. Alright, so let us know. Let us know. Let us know very much. Okay, so let's take this one as the answer, and no, that is not the answer. I need all of it then, I guess. Alright, so I apologize for my tiredness today. It's been a very long day. I used multiple of hours to install my new computer. It's a 12th generation Intel powered computer with a new 3070 graphics card. I just sold my other computer today and installed this new one. I have multiple problems running Windows 11. You probably heard of this already. But I did it. I recorded the 23rd video. I got it done. I'm really happy. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do so, please consider subscribing to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Bye bye.